morning, everybody, and welcome back to Live at 9. We have a fierce trailblazer in the studio today. She was the first African-American woman to be elected as a Memphis City Court's judge. After serving justice from the bench nearly 30 years, Judge Earnestine Hunt Dorse retired in 2019 and traded her gavel for a world of creativity. And you are going to see that this morning. Thank you so much for coming in. What an honor it is to be with you.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Okay, so talk to me about this new life. I mean, you've had an impactful career, and you've never lost re-election since 1990. And so now you are in jewelry. Talk to me about this new life.
Well, it's actually not a new life.
Okay.
I've been making jewelry since I was about 15 or 14.
We have a picture. Let's show that beautiful picture.
And so it's just something I had never beaded before until 9/11. I was stuck in D.C. and couldn't get out, and I picked up some beads. It never strung a bead. On that picture, I was wire wrapping. I used a telephone wire, the cord. It was a gray cord, and it came with all these different color copper-coated cords, and so that was a yellow one. I made that dress. I was just so happy. I've been sewing since I was 9, and so I made my earrings and all sorts of things. But it's been a long time, but this jewelry, this design for me now, it's new since when it was 9/11, I was kind of stuck in D.C., went to a place, and I said, okay, let me see if I can string a bead and make something. And so what I do now is make statement, one-of-a-kind pieces.
Wow. And what are your favorite materials to use?
Well, first of all, I use all natural stones. I don't use glass. I mean, I might have some glass because like my necklace here has a lot of African glass in it.
And you said you rarely make this, and it goes all the way.
It's a body chain, and I can wear it 2 or 3 different ways. And so rarely, because it takes me I have to tear up about 50, 60, 70 different strands just to get this combination of whatever it is.
I know I have actually one of your one-of-a-kind creations. Talk to me about, growing up in Memphis, right? Pivotal moments like the sanitation strike, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s assassination. You've witnessed history. Let's talk about your artistic inspiration.
I guess I've always been domestic in terms of I like cooking, I like sewing, I like creating, and so I've been doing that for so long that it's just a part of me. And but this new jewelry industry for me is totally new.
And you actually have a whole studio, and I mean, do you kind of step away and then go into this other world?
Well, what happens is if I see something, then I'll commit it to memory and say, now, I think I can do something with this. And if I see a part, if I see an old piece, I'll collect old jewelry, antique pieces, and so I might get a brooch that may be the centerpiece for the next thing that I make. And so it's always something different and something exciting. And I can always sometimes see the vision of what I want to do with it. When I saw this thing here, I said, now what can I do with that?
Wow.
But I wanted it to be a little bling. It has a little bling on it, but I also wanted it to be kind of conservative. And so then, like that piece over there, it's just a whole statement. So you don't wear my stuff often, because once you wear it, everybody will see it. And I remember you had that on last time. But
like Hollywood.
But I tried to do it, and I just find it I started it to be relaxing after work. I would come in from court, and I would go into my studio, my workroom when it's dirty, at 8 o'clock and leave out at 2 a.m. in the morning, and I would just be there. And so that was my decompression time.
You, I mean, with such a storied career and now creating here, what wisdom would you share if you could look back at your younger self and just share what you would say to your younger self and to other people out there who are just living their lives?
Well, my younger self was one that I always wanted things, but I had a limited opportunity to get things. And that's probably why I started sewing, because I made my clothes. I made prom dresses and everything for people in my high school class. But that was because I My parents didn't have the ability to buy stuff. We had hand-me-downs. We had 3 opportunities to wear the same dress. At least my younger sister did. And I only had 2. So that was, first of all, it. And then it was something that, you know, I grew up at a time that you didn't have a lot of outlets. And so that was where I started. Now, you know, I marched with Dr. King, and I don't know if everybody knows that the person pointing from the balcony, that was my sister, and she's deceased now, but I had been down to the Lorraine at the time. I mean, I left like a little while before that. So I was always a different kind of child. I had my own library of African-American books, and I used to check them out when I was 15 years old to other folks, and so I just did things differently. And so this was just another outlet for me.
Well, I cannot thank you enough. You're always Judge Dorse to me. Thank you so much for your time, and you saw the information on the screen if you want to get one of your own designs. Thank you so much.
No, thank you for having me, and I appreciate it.